how to connect your TikTok shop token to Helium 10. This is the next strategy we're going to talk about, because this is really going to save you hours and hours, potentially tens of hours of time. When you're thinking about selling on other platforms, what do you have to do? Like for Walmart, you probably have to find your directory of all your images, right? You have to go take your Amazon listing, change it to Walmart best practices, do some keyword research on Walmart, and one by one doing that, then download the images, upload the images. It was a hassle, probably took a long time. What if I told you on TikTok Shop, as long as you've got Amazon listings active, you could actually create your TikTok Shop listings in seconds? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in a couple of minutes here. But first, there's a step you have to take, which is connecting your TikTok Shop token to your Helium 10 account so that we can import your Amazon listings. All right, the way you can do that, and by the way, we just updated it. If you have got the Diamond account with Helium 10, almost all these tools, other than the ones I've shown so far, are all for Diamond and above. And trust me, guys, you are going to make a lot more money than what the Diamond account costs just by selling on this platform. You're going to want to go ahead and hit your name up here on the top right of your Helium 10 screen, and then you are going to want to hit connections. Now, once you do that, you'll see I already have my TikTok Shop token connected, but let's say you didn't. You're going to want to hit add another seller account. Once you do that, you're going to want to select TikTok and then hit next. Hit North America, because that's what we are solely doing right now, and then hit initiate in Seller Center. What's going to happen after that, you have to select the TikTok US marketplace again, and then hit go to TikTok, and then it's going to open up another sub window. Now, you already need to be signed in to your TikTok Shop account. So obviously you already have to have your TikTok account ready before you get to this step. So sign in on your TikTok Shop account in like another window in your browser, and then hit that button, and then just go through, there's like 3 or 4 steps more that it's going to show you. And that is what's going to connect your TikTok Shop account to your Helium 10 account. So now we're going to be able to provide that bridge to take your Amazon listings and migrate them to TikTok Shop. If you have any trouble with this, these steps here, reach out to customer service. This literally takes maybe 60 seconds, maybe 120 seconds, and you will be good to go. Now, one quick thing though is, let's say you already had TikTok Shop active on that marketplace, and you've got tons of products already on Amazon. You don't need Helium 10 to help you migrate. You still got to take this step because I'm going to show you something in a little bit that shows how you can start fulfilling the orders through MCF. But if you already have your TikTok Shop products and you don't need to create the listings, one thing I would suggest to you guys to skip to, and I'm going to have a strategy about this in a couple minutes, is hit the manage products mapping. This is going to be on your connections page, and this allows you to map your TikTok Shop products to your Amazon SKUs. All right. If you just started your TikTok Shop and you don't have any products yet, and you need Helium 10 to help with that, nothing is going to show up here. But if you already have TikTok Shop products, you'll see all of that here. And make sure to check the strategy in a couple minutes where I'm going to show you how to map this. So, all right, now you've got your TikTok Shop account connected to Helium 10. We'll see you in the next strategy.